What we need to see is a leadership of the nation that is more united, a leadership of the nation that has more focus. But when we see a tearing apart, that is a reason to worry for every Kenyans, because they will tear the country, and each one of them has a following.
To make sure that we don't allow impunity, where politicians spread hatred and they injure the reputation of different people and different communities, and they bring ethnic hatred. We believe that the government and the infrastructure that is there, the criminal justice system and the judiciary, must bring all these people to book, because we know impunity. Because if people know hata akitusi mtu, they say utadu nini, they must know that there is consequences for every action that breaks the law.
It is up to the Kenyan society to say what is good for us, and we avoid individual interests. Okay, I was a proponent of BBI because I believed that it could bring us 35% of money into the counties. I believed there are certain things in BBI, but if we cannot get it through the BBI, let the same society that requires those benefits tell us how else those benefits are going to come to us. For us, we don't care how they come, provided they come.